Thank you for viewing this short Presbyterian Women's video demonstrating our purpose with action towards nurturing faith, supporting mission, working for justice and peace, building community, and developing leaders. This video will focus on the Synod of the Southwest Triennial Gathering, October 4th through the 6th in Tucson, Arizona. It was a wonderful opportunity for us to get together to build bridges of understanding with love and service. We so appreciate the work that was done by our Presbyterian women of the Synod of the Southwest coordinating team. The Synod of the Southwest coordinating team put together a wonderful agenda with speakers such as Joy Durant, Reverend Leslie Bogle, Reverend Elizabeth Smith, Donna Bradley, Conrad Roca, Carol Main, and wonderful music that was provided. I also want to give thanks to my own church, Desert Palms Presbyterian Church of Sun City West, for the 9 women who attended. But without further ado, let me let you hear from the team.